First one already. I might as well get in. Look at this.
Look at that. First, what is that, second cast?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice
Largy. Oh, buddy. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
We just got here, guys. Look at that. That's a blessing right there.
He's a couple of pounds, maybe a pound and a half. But hey, look, he's fat.
They get, yeah.
Oh, there goes my rod. My rod broke in half. Not really, just came apart. Yep, that is a fatty.
Oh yeah.
Nice. He's a chunky boy. He's been out here feeding.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to the channel, and say goodbye. We're gonna catch plenty of them today.
Yes. Already starting off wonderful.
That was good.
Definitely catch that torpedo.
Yeah.
Since you got a lower gear ratio to see what you won't really have to keep up with. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna switch over. Running right at me. He's running right at me. Oh, he's running right at me. Oh, I think it's a largemouth. I'm catching only largemouth today. Oh man. As soon as this guy hit the water.
That's a good one.
That is my specialty, is catching largies, unfortunately. Not the smallmouth. Ooh.
Good power on that torpedo.
The torpedo. Oh my God. He's fat too.
Yeah. He's been feeding.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty. As soon as I tie on the torpedo, the magic happens. We've been out here for how long, bud?
Oh, a couple hours.
Couple hours. Largemouth. Caught two of these guys already. Let him go. Let him go. He zoomed off.
Where you going? Where you going?
He's right. He went right behind you.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that was a short video today. That was the first time I fished with Chea from Midwest Scarfish. And if you haven't already, go and check out his channel and give him a subscribe and a like, and then check out his other videos. I mean, they're incredible. He's a great guy. I love fishing with him. And today was just kind of our bonding moment, you know? Like, it was our first time fishing together, and we had to do a lot of catching up and just talking. So today was just kind of the high points with the catches. And I would say stay tuned, because Chea and I are going to probably do some more videos together pretty soon. And so I look forward to that content. And we were after some smallmouth today. However, the largemouth just came in. The largies just came in and dominated, you know. So we are definitely happy for the catches that we had. And so I want to say, if you like what you saw today, give us some thumbs ups and subscribe to my channel and his channel for more awesome content. You know, man, leave us a comment down below, and definitely comment on his page as well. We appreciate the feedback, and we love you guys, and hopefully we're gonna get back out there and get after those smallmouths. And it's the fall season, so they are out there just ready to be caught, and we will see you on the next one.
There's the best fisherman of them all right there. That guy.
Yeah.
We'll be out of your way, bud.
I agree.
I had a fish on and I think I just... Did you see me like flip him out of the water? Oh, God! Oh,
That was a big one.
there's one over there. That's probably that big one you were talking about. Oh, man. We need this guy. What a blow up that was. Holy cow. That was an oh my God blow up. All the way from the other side. Come back. Come back, baby. That guy dined and dashed.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the big one that keeps you coming back. Oh, what? Come back. Come back. Why? Why?